Hi everyone, it's Emily here with Splash Pool and Spa in Cedar Rapids, and we're bringing you another episode of Splashy Segments. I have the dynamic duo, to my right, Taylor, to my left, Ashley, and we're going to be talking about another water chemistry metric to be paying attention to make sure that that water stays crystal clear in your pool or spa. So what are we talking about today, ladies?
We're going to talk about pH.
pH. Okay, now when we think about pH, we want to make sure that we keep it between a certain level when we're measuring it. What is that level?
We want it between 7.2 and 7.8.
What's the little fun fact I've heard about this?
So perfect pH is going to be 7.4. That's going to be most comfortable for swimming. So the fun fact is that the pH of your eyeball is 7.4. So that's going to be the comfiest.
You want your water pH level to be the same as your eyeball pH level, 7.4. There you have it. Okay, now as we know, sometimes things don't always go as planned. We might have low pH, we might have high pH. What are some of the side effects we're looking at if we have low pH?
Okay, I'll take low. If you have low pH, you will likely see some corrosive water. I mean, it's going to be corrosive acidic, if you will. You could notice skin irritations, you could notice eye irritations, you could have some corrosion with metals, things like that. Even wrinkles. If you have a vinyl liner, you could have wrinkles in your vinyl liner. I know no one wants to see that or have that in their pool.
So pH is kind of that balance for acidity.
It is.
High pH, what are some of the side effects there?
Yes, high pH is also not good. We see a lot of scaling with that. So clogged heating elements, clogged filters. But other than that, I think the one thing that we really wanted to talk about today was if your pH is not in range, then your chlorine's actually going to be less efficient as well.
Okay,
so that also creates issues too.
So really a critical metric to pay attention to. And with test strips, can you measure pH with a test strip?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. The good news is with any problem, there's always a solution, right?
Yes.
So what do we do to fix low pH?
Okay, this one's really difficult. Pay attention.
Listen close.
You're gonna use a pH increaser.
Okay, so that's a product I'm assuming that we have here in the store. So how would you add that? Just label instructions?
Label instructions, probably call me or come see me and I can help you.
So really a simple product-based solution.
Yeah.
If you have low pH, we're just gonna add some increaser and get that puppy right back up to where it needs to be. What if we have too high of pH? What do we do?
It's going to be the exact opposite. We're going to use some decreaser.
Okay, so pretty simple
Yes.
solutions for these. Some of the other topics we've talked about were a little more complex.
It can be.
But really these are just product-based, and you just kind of, I would assume, add at slow amounts until you get to that desired level.
Yep.
All right, well, if you're having any struggles with your water in your pool or spa, don't forget you can always stop into the store, drop off a sample, we'll test it. We'll email you the results. We'll help get you back on track. We're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 4. See you soon.
Is one thing, and I'm blanking, but we're going to
Filters,
roll with
clog
this.
filters,
Yep.
Taylor.
Who's going to say
Take
it?
it away.
Okay, don't be shy. That's why I like to drink the high pH water.
Yes, same.
Balance out all the stress in my life. Anyways, all right.